Hello my dear students of class 10th. Welcome to maths class. Dear students, as we are doing chapter number 3, that is pair of linear equations in two variable, and today we will do equations reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variable, and we have exercise number 3.6 and this is the question. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. We will reduce all these equations in the pair of linear equation and after that we will solve it. So here we have different type of equations. 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2 and 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. So first of all we will change these equations in a pair of linear equations. So here we have 1 upon 2 and 1 upon x plus 1 upon 3 and 1 upon y we can write is equal to 2. Similarly 1 upon 3 and 1 upon x we can write 1 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon x and plus 1 upon 2 and 1 upon y is equal to 13 upon 6. Now let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. 1 upon 2, 1 upon, at the place of 1 upon x we will put a. So 1 upon 2 a plus 1 upon 3 b is equal to 2. Similarly here 1 upon 3 a plus 1 upon 2 b is equal to 13 upon 6. Now solve these equations, take the LCM, 6 as a LCM, 2 3 just 6 and 3 1 just 3, 3a, 3 2 just 6 and 2b we have and 6 2 just 12. This is the equation number 1. Similarly 3 2 just 6 as the LCM, 3 2 just 6, 2 1 just 2 that is 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 upon 6. 6 is cancelled by this 6 and the second equation we have 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. The first equation we have 3a plus 2b is equal to 12 and the second equation we have 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Now what will we do? We will multiply the equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Why? Why we are doing? Because we want to make same both b term. We will multiply by 3 here, so 3 2 just 6 and by 2 here, so 2 3 just 6 again. Now in the equation 1 we will multiply by 3 and equation 2 we will multiply by 2. Here 3 3 just 9a plus 3 2 just 6b plus, is equal to 12 3 just 36 and 2 2 just 4a 2 3 just 6b is equal to 13 2 just 26. Subtract equation 4 from equation 3. 9a plus 6b is equal to 36 we have, and the fourth equation 4a plus 6b is equal to 26. Subtraction we are doing here, so we will replace negative sign here and sign will be changed. Minus, minus and minus. It will be cut. 9a minus 4a is equal to 5a and 36 minus 26 is equal to 10. So the value of a we have 2. Put the value of a in equation number 1, that is 3a plus 2b is equal to 2. The value of a we have 2, so 3 2 just 6 plus 2b is equal to 12. 2b is equal to 12 minus 6, 2b is equal to 6 and b is equal to 3. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3 we have, but these are not the solution of the equation because we have the solution in the form of x and y. Now again, as we let a is equal to 1 upon x and b is equal to 1 upon y, now we will put the value of a and b here. The value of a we have 2. So 2 is equal to 1 upon x and 3 is equal to 1 upon y. So multiply, cross multiply of x here and 2 will be here. So x is equals to 1 upon 2 and y is equals to 1 upon 3. The value of x and y is the solution of that equation. The second part of this question we have 2 upon under root x plus 3 upon under root y is equal to 2 and 4 upon under root x minus 9 upon under root y is equal to minus 1 we have here. Now again 1 upon under root x or 1 upon under root y in both of the equation we have. Now we will let 1 upon under root x is equals to p and 1 upon under root y is equal to q. Now the equation is 2p plus 3q is equal to 2 and 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. Multiply equation 1 by 3 and add in equation 2 because in equation 1 we have minus 9q. So we will multiply the equation 1 by 3 and add with the equation 2. Multiply by 3. 3 2 ja 6p, 3 3 ja 9q, 3 2 ja 6, and adding with the equation 2. 4p and 6p. 10p is equal to 10p. 9q and 9q, plus and minus, it will be cut. 6 minus 1, 5. So p is equals to 5 upon 10, or the value of p is equals to 1 upon 2. Now what will we do? We will put the value of p in equation number 1. Here we have the value, we are putting the value of p in equation 1. 2p plus 3q is equals to 2. 2 into 1 upon 2. 2 is cutted by this 2, plus 3q is equal to 2. 3q is equals to 2 and minus 1. 3q is equals to 1 and q is equals to 1 upon 3. So the value of p we have 1 upon 2 and the value of q we have 1 upon 3. Again, we will replace the value as we let. P is equals to 1 upon under root x and q is equals to 1 upon under root y. The value of p we have 1 upon 2 and the value of q we have 1 upon 3. On squaring both sides, when we square both sides, so 1 ka square is 1 and the square of 2 will be 4. The square of 1 will be 1 and the square of 3 will be 9, and the square of under root x will be x and y only. So 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon x and 1 upon 9 is equal to 1 upon y. By the cross multiplication, x, the value of x is equals to 4 and the value of y is equal to 9. So this is the solution of these pair of equations, linear equations in two variable.